It's a nice Friday morning. I took a day off from work. It's my 20-year anniversary at work, which means technically I can retire today. So I thought it appropriate to take a day off and do some car stuff. So we got a cheap stainless header, eBay special, that we're gonna throw on the CRX. I've already done the exhaust, so we're gonna change the headers up, see how this goes. Hopefully I don't break any studs or bolts or etc. All right, we're jacked up. Jack stands for safety purposes. So I'm gonna start with these for the heat shield and go from there. Let's see. Take these off. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. I have to take it out in pieces. Let me stop this. I just unplugged the O2 sensor so it doesn't rip off. Let's see if, I guess. I'm gonna take that off too, fuck. This little bracket seems to want to fight me. Just don't want to bust my knuckles. See if this will help give me some room. Fun. I don't think I can go up. Ah! Fuck you, header. Got it. Woo! We're off. This weighs a ton. Hold on, I gotta stand up. Cool. Off. Nothing's broke. I'll have to take the O2 sensor off, plug that back up and stuff. So Yeah, happy, happy, happy. I think this is a metal gasket or a couple metal gaskets. Ooh, that fell. We're still being safe. Still got the jacks. Yeah, that's a nice metal gasket. I might reuse this. Clean it up, reuse it. So, happy 20 to me. So, yeah. All right. I had to get the old mallet and vise out to get that out, but didn't jack it up too bad. Should go back in pretty good. Got it lined up, put the metal gasket back on. Got that bolted in from the bottom. I'm gonna tighten those with an extension from the top. Let me put these on, go from there. Header bolts are all tight. I'm gonna look up a torque spec to see if there is one. I'm sure there is, just to get close. Then I'm gonna get underneath, do the bottom. So, looks way better, looks way cooler without the heat shield. Hopefully they don't leak or break. Pretty sure I'm gonna have a leak at the bottom. Those little spring bolts don't quite do it. We're hitting the shit. We're hitting the shifter at the bottom, so can't do it. Cheap Chinese bullshit gets in the way. I don't even know if I can show you. Take this off the mount. Don't buy cheap Chinese headers is the moral of that story. So yeah, you can see it all. Contacts in here, I can't move the shifter. That sucks. That blows. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Womp womp womp. Happy work anniversary. They're back off, they don't fit. They jam into the shifter too much. There's no play, there's no wiggle room once they're bolted down to the engine block. So $100 Chinese headers, I guess that's what you get. I can't, you know, cut them and re-weld them. I don't have the skills or the hardware for that. So should have ordered PLM headers like I initially wanted to. They're about 3 times the price, but that's what's on my Prelude. You get what you pay for, obviously. In this instance, I'm sure some people have gotten lucky, so hopefully I can get a refund back on eBay. And hey, I didn't break anything. It wasn't too bad, and you know, I'm still off from work doing car stuff, so I'll take it. But I guess happy 20-year work anniversary for me. So have a good one. I'll update when I get something else. See ya.